Hello everyone, welcome back on our channel Innovative for Family. Today I am come up for some of the activities like worksheet, simple worksheet which will help the child for the identification for the uppercase letter to lowercase letter. Because basically what is the problem of the parent and child is facing, that child is easily know the uppercase. They can write easily capital letter वो आराम से लिख लेते हैं, लेकिन when they come switch to the small letter lower case they are facing the difficulty. But thing is that the more letter is going to use for the lower case only. So for that, instead of tell the child write, why you're not doing that, give the child of certain activities via writing, via games and any other thing activities you can do which will help the child first recognize then write. Once child will understand how to recognize the letter A, B, K, D along with the sound, the child is able to read, the child is able to write. That is my opinion of the, according to the child, the working how I am doing for the honor. I just sharing some of the worksheet which I've done for my honor, and the same thing I just want to give you also the suggestion that you can, before going to the diet writing A, B, C and say this is a ba, okay, instead of that, first give the certain activity, first recognize the letter lower, first identification difference between the capital and small, upper letter and the smaller letter. Then we'll come for the worksheet. If the child to write, like let's write the A, B, C, D, a, ba, ka, da. So I will show you some of. So here I have shown you the certain steps, like I am going to tell you the 10 steps which I am doing, so which will help the child to understand the upper letters, uppercase to lowercase, yani capital letter to small letter. They will easily identify by the worksheet, which I am doing for the 10 worksheet. I'll show you that. My first activity is join the dots. In this activity, child doesn't know how to write a, ba, ka, da, a, fa, ga. He doesn't know that. But we will tell the child this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. हम small में ऐसे लिखते हैं. तो child has to join A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E. अगर मैं child को बोलूँगी डायरेक्ट बेटा A लिख के दिखाओ और B लिख के दिखाओ, C लिख के दिखाओ, child will not write. Instead of writing, मैंने already I have written over here. I will tell the child just join it, don't write it, just join. Joining से क्या होगा, बच्चा एक तो आइडेंटिफिकेशन सीखेगा, यहाँ से यहाँ गया, यहाँ से आ गया, इसके बाद क्या आएगा, तो उसका फॉर्म क्या है, इस लेटर का फॉर्म क्या है. ये डी तो ऐसे लिखते थे बिग कैपिटल वाला, अब स्मॉल वाला ऐसे क्यों लिखते हैं. तो चाइल्ड विल आइडेंटिफाई, डिफरेंस स्टार्ट कमिंग अप इन द चाइल्ड माइंड. एंड जॉइन द डॉट्स की बहुत सारी वर्कशीट्स होती हैं which you can create by yourself, or you can, it is available from the market also. आप join the worksheet many of the way में आप करा सकते हैं. So this is the first worksheet which I have, step 1, which I have taken for the lowercase. Now let's go to the second worksheet. Second worksheet is the match the upper letter to its lowercase. Child love to write the upper letter. Child love to write the capital letter. Now child has to understand that the capital letter को हमें small letter में ऐसे लिखना है. तो बच्चे को मैचिंग करना तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है. It's very easy, it's very love. अगर आप नॉर्मल टॉय से मैचिंग कराओगे तो child love to do that. A cognitive learning help the child to improve their logical. For that manner, I have given over here match the uppercase and lowercase. So child has to identify this is a A, which child already know it. But what child doesn't know? Child doesn't know the way is a small a. So he will recognize that this is a small a. Though he is not writing, but he is recognizing it. So like that, they simply do this worksheet. Then here is the simple worksheet I have given. A to Z, which child already know it. Child is loving to do in a nursery. But now over here, very simple, child can write A, B, C, D in a caps only, not on a small, because I don't want to give the child the first let us write the A. I don't want to give. First let him do what he already know it. That's how I have done the third worksheet, yani ki my third step. Now my fourth step is over here is circle the matching. Circle the matching over here. I will show you A. So child is already know this letter. Child doesn't know here. So child has to, this is A, no. This is A, no. This is A, no. So this is the A. The child just has to circle this. B, this is B, this is B. B and D child will usually confuse. In our childhood also, we also used to confuse in that part. In child, usually confusion B and D. So what I will do, I have given the confusing letter together for make them understand. Okay, this is writing like this and this is writing like that. Given the B, the child has to identify and circle the B. Okay, and here child has to identify the C. Big capital C already written. Small c he has to find. Capital C is uppercase and small c is a lowercase. Fine. So like that, the simple activity I have done over here, which you can see. Capital I have already given, and child has to identify same letter in a lowercase, यानी कि small letter में child has to identify and circle it. Very simple activity which child can do. It's fun way only. So this is my fourth step which I have taken. Now my fifth worksheet is over here is circle and count the matching lowercase. In that, what child has to do? I have already written the A. The child already know about the A. Child doesn't know how to write the small a. The child has to identify where is the small a. So he will find here is it, here is it, here is it. Wherever it is, he say this is. So child has to recognize also, and child has to recognize, circle it, and count the number how many the same alphabet will be there. So this is the vision and reasoning and counting. Everything is done by in a small worksheet. So over here, like the B, how many B's are there? Where is the smaller B here? The child has to identify there's a 1 and 2 B is there, mama. So child will circle it and child will write the number 2. So this is the I will do along with the child these activities. But what I want to explain you how kind of activity we can prepare for the child and help the child to improve their learning skill and their logical, because childs are always smart, but we need to smart little bit. Worksheets. Now here I have given direct. I have not written anything capital over here. Can you see in this? I have not writing anything capital over here. All this small, because my focus is to teaching lowercase only, but indirect way. I want to teach him this only lowercase, but indirect way. For that, I have given again the same letters, and again I have written over here the letters which child has to trace with the color of pencil and write it down how many A's are written over here. A लिखा है तो उसको A ही trace करना है, B लिखा है तो उसको B trace करना है, C लिखा है तो it is none of them. It is a practice also. It is seventh step is here also you can see मैंने यहाँ पे कहीं भी I have not written over here a single capital letter. Uppercase I didn't use. This is also a odd one out only. In this, child has to identify the small letter. Then child has to figure it out where is the small letter, and child has to take out the odd one out which is not similar to this number. So this is a simple activity which child can do and write it and visualize the letters. And child in this child will improve the recognition. My main focus is to the child to recognition. Eighth step is over here, writing the missing alphabets. In this, what is there here written is A, Ba. You can see A, Ba, Ka. Ka is missing. The child has to write capital also and small also. Child has to write capital also and small also. Child has to write capital also and small also. So here, child is going to start write. So I will come to know whatever recognition activity I have done, is child is really understand what I was focusing on. Now here again my target is small letter only. So I have given him the capital letter, yani ki uppercase I have already given. So I asked the child to write the small letter. The child has to write the lower cases. The child will write here lower cases whatever is there and how to write. So I will come to know the child recognition has been improved or not. If not improved, I have to repeat my worksheets or maybe other activities or the other activity I need to work on. Then my this 10th step, this is my final step which I have done with the child. This is a here little complex sheet it is there, I will say. Why? Because here child has to write the missing capital letter also and small letter also. The child should not forget the capital letter. A child should learn the small letter also. So here is already written capital A, and now child has to write the small letter A, and he has to say the sound also A. Already B is written, B is written, so child has to write capital letter B. C is already written, so child has to write small letter C is a K sound. So we have like this simple activity, simple worksheets I have done with the kid, and we also can prepare at home and we can do it, which will help the child for the recognition. These steps which I felt was they not only help the child for the recognition, it helps the child of the writing as well. Though it is indirect, but they are going to write for sure. But first we need to work on recognition. For the recognition, we need to work for the simple games, simple worksheets, and then simple pattern of the steps which is I have mentioned to you. Thank you everyone. Now here I have showed you the 10 steps. My main focus on the child is 3 steps. First is mansa, yani ki recognition. Second is vacha, pronunciation. The child is pronounced, this is a, this is that, this is cat, this is that. Then karmana. Karmana is writing. Writing will come third. First child has to recognize, child has to pronounce, then child has to write. The simple 3 steps we need to follow for all the rules which we want to tell or convey to the child. Thank you everyone. If you like my video, for the more videos, please do like and subscribe our channel. So we will help each other like that only. So thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.